water heater isn't working and you're probably in a panic because you need hot water. I've got great news for you. Hot Water 911 will respond to your water heating problem immediately. I'm Tony Shemeka, president of Hot Water 911, and I want you to know that we have all your water heating needs covered. Hot Water 911 has parts on all of our trucks, and we will be there with those parts within 2 hours to fix your water heater. We've been doing this for over 30 years. We understand your frustration, and we really care about you. Let Hot Water 911 fix your water heater emergency. Call me right now. Simply scan the QR code that you see right here to automatically place the call, or dial 1-800-GO-HOT-WATER and breathe easy. Help is on the way.